The XST-3000 is 140 Packaging's largest tabletop sealing machine. The machine seals and die cuts plastic, foil, and paper films using heavy-duty pneumatic-driven cylinders. 140 Packaging machines are made from stainless steel and high-strength aluminum alloy components. The XST-3000 operates in both manual and automatic cycle initiation modes for speed and consistent seals. Temperature and dwell time seals are adjustable to within 1/10 of a second for accurate and leak-proof seals every time. Optical sensors allow the XST-3000 to seal registered print films and foils. Pneumatic and collapsible film reels allow for rapid film loading and waste film removal. Multiple safety features protect both the operator and the machine. The XST-3000 operates on 220-volt single-phase current and compressed air to provide a powerful film-to-container bond, normally only available in much larger inline machines. Interchangeable tooling provides the user with the capability to package and seal a variety of products with the same machine. 140 Packaging will custom design tooling to fit your specific container. If you are interested in the XST-3000, please call us or contact us at sales@140packaging.com.